sorry, but it's been 20 years ago. I am a proud 55-year-old stunner. I used to be a practicing dentist here in Quezon City, but 15 years ago, I migrated to Los Angeles, California, and now currently working as a registered nurse in one of the most reputable hospitals in Los Angeles, California. Tonight, make way, for here comes your Miss Universe Philippines 2023. Hashtag Di Patapos, Michelle Martinez.
Hello, I am 25%. Can you charge me now, Gladys?
Sa layo-layo man po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. People can destroy your image, damage your personality, create rumors about you, but can never take away your good things. Because in life, no matter how much they describe you, you will always be admired to those people who knows you better. Good evening, beautiful people of Cruz Calican! My name is George Iglesias, 25-year-old, all the way from the beautiful place of City of Tuguegarao, province of Cagayan Valley. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to carry the image of ang pambansang hipon ng Pilipinas, Herlin Nicole Pudol. Herlin Nicole Pudol na nagsasabing, kumain ka ng pakwan para hindi ka iwan at ikaw ang kanyang number 1. Maraming salamat po at ang gabi. Happy
Thank you so much.
distinguished guests, friends, allies of the rainbow community, honorable panelist judges, and people of Trisligas, Quezon City, good evening. Standing before you is a proud mass communication graduate from the home of the Tamaraos, Far Eastern University. I'm a proud realtor in Fort Bonifacio in BGC. I am Patricia Bayumo, hailing all the way from the mountain biking capital of the Philippines, San Mateo, province of Rizal. And tonight, I do believe in a saying, it is not the crown who makes a queen, but a queen who makes a crown. Thank you so much and good evening.
Thank you so much. Highlight number 3, Miss Patricia. Pero dati,
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old this color. And I am very proud and humble because I am your recently crowned. It's showtime. Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multidex, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way with a place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to standardize the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy, at minsan si Baby, sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. Bakit hindi na po sabay-sabay sa bukang palakpakan? At yawan, ang nag-iisang kumangis, ninibining Loisa Andalio. And I always believe, si best amor, amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 4. Mark my number.
Dahil maganda po ako, kaunti. Kaunti. Parang pake naman po kayo.
Galing!
Dagdagan mo pa po, anak, kaunti.
Galing, ano?
Baka po meron kayong hiyawan, anak, kaunti. Salamat po, kaunti. First, take education before love and devotion. It is a good occupation for the young generation. Maayong magtugabarads, gikan sa isla sa Cebu, nibalig sa inyong atubangan, ang Diyos sa napuno sa kabulahan, gaawas-awas, ang kahugyawan, kagirak-girak sa kanilang. Or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, galing naman.
My name is Salmarie J, 17 years old, all the way here from the historic capital of the Philippines, General Trias Cavite. Puro sila na lang. Ako po ang bago dyan. At naniniwala po ako na aanin mo pa ang shabu o kailan mariwana. Kung sa ganda ka pa lang, boom, sabog ka na. Tonight, please allow me to stand by you. Ang babae na nabangan niyo po, lumusong sa karagatan ng Jezebel, gumiling sa dalampasigan bilang Malmar, at lumipad sa kinangitan bilang Darna, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Dingdong Dantes, ang nag-iisang kawangis na Miss Marian Rivera.
ito. Lamang po. I always believe that patience is a true virtue. Good evening, people of Islam. My name is Eunice Aquino. I am 21 years old, Sunner. A four-year college student who's taking a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Our Lady of Fatima University. Coming all the way from our international friend capital of the Philippines, tayo na sa Antipolo.
Of man's victory, talent, and aspiration, aspiring to be the luckiest candidate tonight. Good evening, folks. This young lady standing in front of you is 30 years old, a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Content Education from Cebu Technological University, a humble scholar, and a proud cum laude.
Oh, galing.
Ladies and gentlemen, I enjoyed pageantry for 8 years. And last year, I took the board exam and found out that on the result of December 7th, I am one of the 7,777 newly licensed professional teachers. And you may be wondering why I am not teaching now. Because in this platform, I will keep and ignite the advocacy that we individuals of the rainbow community will not hinder by our gender identity.
He's a 28 years old Sunner, all the way left from Binyan City, province of Laguna. My name is Nadi Marie Fernandez, but for tonight, this is a pageant. So please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng minsang lumipad sa himpapawid bilang si Darna, at ang babaeng minsang sumisid sa karagatan bilang si Jezabel.
Ay, ganda!
Thank you.
na si Sangre Lira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos na nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is proud to represent the Basketry Festival.
Maganda ako kaunti. Palakpakan naman po kayo kaunti. Dagdagan na po kaunti. Thank you so much. Mahirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka naman isang tunay na lalaki.
Ang init. Once again, Barangay News tayo po'y magpalakpakan! Ayan, grabe, umpisa pa lang yan. Totoo, Nay. Painitin pa ang ating gabi mamaya sa swimsuit competition. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. Our candidate number 1, 5 26, 25, 36. She keeps me up at night in a song because she can't stop getting tired. You have to slow down.
Okay, for the swimsuit competition, candidate number 1, Hitachi for the best swimsuit.
You're dying, come on, you wait for me. You seem to be on your own and I'm wondering why. For my telling the show plays are 26, 23, 36. Do it for me. I love you round, 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 cause you're so sexy. Oh yes, she is. She tastes like cola.
Ay, come on!
When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. Once again, with Angela City Pampanga, with Hardin Jones Budon. Because she takes. I'll be your sugar daddy, you'll be my sugar babe. With every sip I take it, you'll dip into my vein. All as sweet as cola, feels like coffee. I wanna know the secret that no one's ever seen. She tastes like cola. The vital statistics are 36, 25, 36. From San Mateo Province of Rizal, Grace Patricia Payugo. one more time. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night in the song, cause she can't stop your dying. You don't have to fight a little song.
วันสามนี่
Stop your dying, come on. I love you round, 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 cause you're so sexy. Oh yes she is, she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she takes. Can I try?
Once again, from Tondo, Manila, it's Royce Altario.
You seem to be on your own.
That's what our time is covered by Miss Ryan Rivera.
Siya yung kuli ko pa ulit-ulit ka sa walang sa
Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola.
5:36, 24, 36.
She sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she takes.
halos lahat friend ko na sa air.
I'll be your sugar daddy, you'll be my sugar babe. With every sip I take in, you're deep into my vein. You are the sweetest Buddha, you push that coffee cool. I wanna know the secret that no one's ever seen. She tastes like cola.
From General Trias Cavite, Miss Ryan Rivera.
Ay, bumaba si Magets na. Bumaba si Magets na naman.
Cause she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola.
Let's welcome on stage our candidate.
Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she can't stop your dying.
Her vital contestants are 36, 24, 36.
Ryan is the deal for the best in 365.
Stop your dying.